How can I see component numbers in 3D? We have different possibilities for it. Well, first we go to F7, and here on Roof, Raft System General, we can select the material list number, so we make it visible. So here you can see it, but when you go to 3D, you see here's nothing. So now we have different ways to show it. So for example, when you click on that button here, you don't see it, but when we go further, so for this one, you can see it, and here too. But we want it here or here. So we can go to the general settings, and here we go to evaluation, other, and then we can say write text on components. So for members and coverings, here we can select for which of them we want it. So for now, let's take all of them. Here you have to take care, because when you click on it and you show this in 3D, the machine will print it to your Timber. So if you don't want that, keep that in mind. So maybe you have to delete it from the program in the machine. Yeah, so now we can close it, and now we have to calculate the processings for all visible members, and the number appears. So this would be a way. And another nice thing we can do, we go back to the general settings, evaluation, and to other. So we can create markings for lateral areas. So every time, for example, rafter hits the purlin, it can make a marking with the text. So for example, we take only the component number, and then again we calculate the processing. Here you can see then on the purlin it will print the number of the rafter, so you can see where to set it.